Little storyteller.
Deep in the sunny sea lived Uma, a little sea urchin. Uma was round and small, with soft, pointy spikes all over her body. Her favorite thing to do was roll slowly along the colorful coral, looking for tasty bits of seaweed. The water around her was warm and sparkly. Little fish with bright blue and yellow stripes zipped by, playing tag. One sunny morning, a bigger fish with silvery scales swam near Uma. This fish looked at Uma with big, hungry eyes. Uma felt a little wobbly. She remembered what her mama had told her. Your soft spikes help keep hungry fish away, little one. If they come too close, puff up a bit. Uma took a deep breath and made her soft spikes stick out a little more. They didn't hurt, but they felt a bit prickly. The big silvery fish looked at Uma's slightly pokier shape. It wiggled its nose, and then deciding Uma didn't look so tasty anymore, it swam away in search of something else to eat. Uma felt happy and safe. She learned that her spikes were helpful for keeping her safe. She wasn't hurting anyone, but they let other fish know she wasn't a good snack. From that day on, Uma continued to explore the coral, always remembering how her soft, pointy spikes helped her stay safe in the big blue sea. It was good to have her own special way to look after herself.
Please subscribe. Thank you.